Hey guys, legodude here with a review of jawblade. So let's get around to his parts. Here we have 4 of these blades that I use on my black phantom build. And we have these 2 pieces that were used on Witch Doctor Inferno in the 3.0 series. And we have 1 of these long armor pieces, these are the 6 armor pieces in black. 2 5 armor pieces in black as well. And 1 black 3 armor piece. And then right here we have just a bunch of these little bone pieces. He says that at least there's 7 of these bone pieces right there. We have the claw piece used in my Speed of Demon build. We have and let me see here. Oh, 5 socket joints, 1 in gray and the rest in black. And just 3 of these little, technic pieces. And then these 2 green eyes that I use in my Arachnix and Thornrax build. And then we have another last socket joint that I forgot to mention. We have 2 hands in black. And then standard size Arachnix Thornrax head in the silver. Have the body with a standard height, standard width, the extra ball attachments. So that's the part of this building. And there is jawblade already assembled. Look at it from different angles. How he is built. There is jawblade, and his jaw, this one, he can by cut up and down like that, and his tail swims around like that. So he is like a shark, and he uses these two blades as magma blades, which are used on Inferno, which I'm going to use in Inferno 1.0 series mock make build. So there is Jawblade, all complete and sunk and ready for action. And you can also see the combiner build in my Jawblade plus Inferno build. There is Jawblade. Blood!